You know, lots of people do experiments with eggs in the shell. How about if we remove the shell, show you a cool science trick you can use when you're cooking. All right, crack the egg. And good. We want to separate the yolk from the egg whites. Well, there's those little fancy separators. You can try to pick it out. You could actually use air pressure. Now I'm using a water bottle. So what I want you to do is you squeeze the water bottle like this, put it over the top, and now trap the air and let go and allow the outside air pressure to pull up the egg like that. There's number one. Look at that. And here's number two. Again, I'm squeezing, taking some of the air out, and now allowing the outside air pressure to pull it up like that, or to really push it up. Look at that. There's number two. Bingo. Now we can just do something fun with the egg whites. So that's where it's kind of fun for the kids to make green eggs, of course. So now you put the food coloring, because if 1 drop is good, then 10 drops is awesome. Whip it up like this. Look at that. Do anything you want to with this. I don't know, from a cooking standpoint, you could do whatever you want, but now we're gonna pour all of this into the pan. And here we go, look at this. All right, so over here into the pan. Now the egg whites go in, they're now green. Look at that, and carefully put in the egg yolks. They're going to be amazed. How in the world did you do this? Not only is that going to be amazing, but when you serve them, look at this. They are going to absolutely love it. Get some ham, then you have green eggs and ham. What could be better? I probably need to find some ham. I'm Steve Spangler, and that's your Science Minute.